You can draw. I know you can. Because if you try continuous contour drawings, I'm sure you will be surprised with the results. Maybe it wouldn't be what you would expect, but we don't always know the things we need until we see them. Jack, this got cold, like your sense of humor. Hi, my name is Fatih, and I identify as a drawer. If you know me, if you watch my classes, you know my love for no-effort sketch journaling and my mission to get everyone to start drawing immediately. And I think perfect way to do this is continuous contour drawing. This all started with my class, Everyone Can Draw. One of the exercises in that class was continuous contour drawing, and I kinda fell in love with students' drawings. People who claimed that they couldn't draw were turning in these crazy looking, interesting, captivating lines, and one day, at a coffee shop, instead of drawing like I always do, I did a continuous contour drawing, and it all clicked. It was done in moments and it had everything I wanted. No planning, no pencil sketching. It was a representation of my subject, but not entirely. It was also something different, something expressive. And it looked very stylish when combined with a bit of watercolors. So, in this class, we will dive into continuous contour drawing. We will talk about stress-free art practice, making expressive art, and getting better at drawing altogether. In the process, you will learn the difference between looking and seeing, strengthen your hand-eye coordination, and of course, I will demonstrate lots of examples. This class is for anyone looking to start art journaling and who wants to get more confident at drawing. All you need to take this class is pen and paper. It doesn't even have to be watercolor paper. But no pencils or erasers. We won't make any mistakes, so we don't need them. Looking forward to doing this with you. Let's go!